Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'll be talking about 8 crypto investing tips to help you make money as a beginner. Now, investing in crypto is one of the risky investments to do, and that is why it is necessary to know and understand these 8 crypto investing tips. Before I go into the 8 crypto investing tips, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we'll teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love videos like this, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now let's jump right into the 8 crypto investing tips. First on the list is understand the crypto market. Now, understanding the crypto market is very important for any beginner looking to invest in crypto. This involves familiarizing yourself with the basic concept of crypto, the different types of cryptocurrencies available, and how the market operates, and the risk involved in investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods of time. By understanding the market trends, the factors that influence price changes, and the overall sentiment of the crypto market, you can make more informed investment decisions. Also, it is essential to stay updated with news and development in the crypto space, as this can significantly impact the crypto market. Also, regulatory changes, technological advancement, and major partnerships in the crypto space, all of these can affect the value of cryptocurrencies. So taking time to understand the crypto market and how it works will give you the necessary knowledge needed to navigate the complex world of crypto and to help you make more investment decisions that are very good for you. Number 2 is to avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Now, one of the main reasons why a lot of beginners tend to lose so much money in crypto is because they see crypto as a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, they are looking to make quick money, and these days, we have a lot of scammers advertising crypto Ponzi schemes, and a lot of beginners are falling for these things and losing their money. Now, this is because these Ponzi schemes or these get-rich-quick schemes always promise a very high amount of profit in a short period of time. They tell you they can help you invest your money in crypto and trade for you, and you get 100% profit in 1 month. That's impossible. So you need to avoid these schemes. These schemes can be very tempting, especially when you see testimonials and fake advertisement that promise you easy riches with just small effort. However, it is important to remember that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Also, all these good investments, including the ones in crypto, they require time, research, and they require a very good strategy. So just take your time. And again, many of these fraudulent schemes operate by using new investors' money to pay the returns of old investors, thereby creating a false impression of profit. And eventually, when these schemes collapse and there is no new investors to bring in new money, then there is losses for the majority of the participants. So be careful. Instead of falling for these get-rich-quick schemes, focus on building a solid understanding of the crypto market for yourself and develop a long-term investment strategy. So basically, you just have to do your thorough research, understand the crypto you are investing in, and be very careful of any investment opportunity that promises you high returns. Please be careful. And remember that successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. And avoiding these schemes will help you protect your hard-earned money and help you build a more secure financial future. Number 3 is to diversify your crypto investments. Now, we have different crypto exchange platforms out there and different cryptocurrencies in the world. When investing in crypto, it is advisable that you don't invest all your money in just one crypto app and in just one cryptocurrency. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk, because there are different reasons for this. Now, the first reason is that the government in your country might decide to ban a particular crypto app or even freeze the account of users on this platform, and this can greatly affect your investment. Another reason is that the crypto exchange platform can get hacked, thereby you lose all your money. And again, also when you are investing in a cryptocurrency, make sure you don't put all your money in one crypto. This is very bad. You're supposed to invest your money in different cryptocurrencies, as this can help you maintain a balanced crypto investment portfolio. Now, number 4 is dollar cost average. Now, this strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the crypto. Now, this way, you buy more cryptocurrencies when the prices are low, and you buy less when the prices are high, averaging out your cost over time. Now, most of the questions I've heard from a lot of beginners is either which coin should I buy now, or they ask me that when is the best time to buy a coin. Now, as a beginner, you shouldn't rush yourself with these things, because you might not gain anything by asking people the best time to buy a coin or which coin to buy. And that is why the dollar cost average strategy is recommended for beginners. You need to check out the top cryptocurrencies and then use the dollar cost average strategy to invest in them. Now, for example, you can say you'll be investing in, let's say, Bitcoin and Ethereum every week or every month with a specific amount of money. And over time, this will help you even buy more cryptocurrencies and make more profit by just investing. Dollar cost average helps you reduce the risk of making poor investment decisions. Number 5 is utility. Now, in crypto, utility means a cryptocurrency is useful and it has so many use cases. Now, when investing in cryptocurrencies, make sure that whatever you are investing in has utilities or different use cases. The more useful a crypto is, the more people will buy it and the more the price will continue to go up. And as a beginner, this will really help you so as you are sure that you are investing in good cryptocurrencies. Number 6 is join a crypto community. Now, to be successful in crypto, you need to have access to information. You need to know what's going on in the crypto market, you need to know the next project, you need to know the latest news in crypto. And the easiest way you can do this is to join a crypto community on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, and so on. These are places where you can find different crypto communities to learn from. And you get to know what's going on in the crypto market and even make connections. Now, joining a crypto community can significantly enhance your knowledge and success in the crypto space. Now, here are some of the benefits you can get when you join a crypto community. Now, the first one is access to information. Being part of any community keeps you updated on the latest trends in the market, and you also get real-time information that can be crucial for making informed investment decisions. Another benefit is networking opportunities. In crypto communities, you can get or connect with like-minded individuals, including experienced traders and experienced investors. These connections can lead to valuable insights and even mentorship opportunities for you, and you can get to learn from others in different crypto communities. Number 7 is to stake your crypto. Now, staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network, and in returns you get rewards in form of additional cryptocurrencies. Now, this is a great way to earn passive income with your crypto, and once you've picked the crypto you want to invest in and you started using the dollar cost average strategy to invest, don't just leave your cryptocurrencies idle in your wallet. You can stake your crypto to earn passive income, and you can even put it in different cryptocurrencies and DeFi staking, and you can do this on different exchanges like Bybit, Binance, and so on. Now, I have videos to guide you on how you can stake your crypto and earn passive income on Bybit and even on Binance. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. And number 8 is think long term. Now, when investing in crypto, make sure you have a long-term mindset. Crypto has made a lot of people millionaires, and it didn't just start some weeks or some months ago. Most of these people that are millionaires in crypto have been investing in crypto for a very long time. So you need to focus on the bigger picture and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market changes. And adopting a long-term mindset can really help you stay calm during market dips and keep your investment aligned with your overall financial goals. Now, it is better and advisable to have a mindset of about 3 to even 5 years or even 10 years of investing in crypto, because whether you like it or not, crypto will still be here in the next 10 years. So make sure you think long-term, and before you know it, your crypto portfolio will be full of profit. So there you have it. These are the 8 essential crypto investing tips for any beginner in crypto. And as a beginner, the future of your crypto portfolio depends on the decisions you make and the steps you take today. These tips I've given you are enough to make you a profitable crypto investor. And most importantly, don't stop learning about crypto. Crypto is evolving, crypto is changing, and the more you know, the more opportunities that will come your way and the more money you will make. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and I want to know in the comment section which of these tips you'll be applying very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more tips on investing and making smart money moves. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.